powerful tornado has shocked residents of Kushva in Russia's Sverdlovsk Oblast, leaving behind scenes that many eyewitnesses describe as unbelievable. What began as a rapidly developing severe thunderstorm transformed into a destructive weather event that tore through neighborhoods, damaged homes, uprooted massive trees, and sent debris flying across entire districts. Videos recorded by residents and shared online captured dramatic moments as a rotating funnel cloud moved across the landscape, creating one of the most talked about extreme weather events in the region this year. Reports indicate significant damage to homes, power infrastructure, and vehicles, while emergency crews worked through the night to restore essential services. Welcome to this live coverage, where we follow the latest developments, eyewitness reports, weather analysis, and dramatic footage from Kushva. If you are joining us from anywhere around the world, let us know where you are watching from as we continue monitoring this major severe weather event. The atmosphere over the region became increasingly unstable as powerful thunderstorms developed during the evening hours. Dark, rotating clouds formed over the horizon, while strong winds intensified across nearby communities. Residents reported hearing a roaring sound before the tornado became visible. Moments later, the funnel cloud moved toward populated areas, bringing destructive winds capable of tearing roofs from buildings and snapping trees in seconds. Many videos now circulating online